Welcome back to the Old Volks Home YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to ask the question, will it run? Let's find out.
Wait, Dan.
What's up?
Point the camera in there.
Point the camera.
Are you ready?
I'm ready, yeah. Woo! Hell yeah, brother! Hell yeah! Nice one, man. Woo-hoo-hoo. Hot diggity dog. How you feeling?
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
It's good, isn't it? So it does run.
On diesel.
You don't have to write anything, just strike it through. Hell yeah.
We've got a good friend who's turned up to give us a hand. Craig, he does a lot of metal work and likes making brackets and does a lot of gate work and bits heavy iron, but he does like doing the odd little bits and pieces on the cars. So he's popped down and to help us do the throttle pedal, get the clutch pedal in and help us do the downpipe because we need to get this done like ASAP. We've got to make a couple of brackets, but we've got to use this intercooler because we haven't got nothing else. It's not great, it's not really great at all. I'm not happy with it at all, but this is all we've got for now.
And I've learnt that this is a map sensor.
Yeah. We need to put a bigger battery on it at a later date because that battery down there is not big enough, especially when it comes to summertime, winter time, sorry, summertime. Be alright for the summertime, or when the battery's getting old. But otherwise, yeah, she's on the button. Bolts are going through. Do you want me to put a nut on it?
Yeah, please, mate. Literally just got to drill the hole through there. Yeah. Wait for a get spacer for it.
Most of the noise is coming from the front.
It's good then.
Craig, do you want to tick us off on the list?
What else?
As
Clutch.
in like cross foot. Nice one, mate.
Clutch.
Hydraulic clutch. All right.
And then what we'll do tomorrow is we'll write a new list in the morning.
New list in the morning.
Yeah. So we know what we're doing.
I don't understand how I'm so tired and just absolutely, well, just shattered, and I've not lifted.
No, it's just standing around all day holding a camera.
Well, this is the thing. If you feel like you haven't seen me mucking in, it's because I've been filming absolutely everything. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little tiny touch just overwhelmed, not necessarily in a bad way, just overwhelmed with all the quick decisions. I'm witnessing everything here, all these little jobs that Matt does. I'm seeing firsthand for the first time.
Jobs, just little. Just an engine conversion, it's fine. Just chuck an engine in there.
It's a massive job, let's not lie.
It is.
Let's not lie.
I'm sure people don't understand, some people, but yeah, it is a massive job doing an engine conversion. This engine was never ever designed to go in this bay. Yes, we know it goes in pretty simple with the right mounts and that, but it was never designed to go in this bay.
Nonetheless, like I said, I'm overwhelmed in a neutral way.
It runs.
It runs. I'm learning so much along the way, even if it's just observational stuff where I'm like asking questions along the way, which apparently some people really enjoy when I ask the stupid questions. We've had a few Instagram messages and comments on YouTube saying, you know, we appreciate the stupid questions because, you know, you guys get to learn as well. And there's going to be a range of different people watching these videos. Some people that know what they're doing, some people that have done it before, some people that are maybe perhaps thinking about doing something like this and just don't know the intricacies. So, okay, to summarize where we're at right now, tiny slight change of plans behind the scenes.
Our 3-inch exhaust what's been, we've had a deal with Jimbo.
The wonderful Craig came in, as you saw, came in, helped, cut, welded, shaped.
Yeah, it saved me some time so I can get on with other little bits and pieces. Yeah, the clutch bracket, I cut off a right-hand drive. I've got it all ready, and then Craig's just come in and just basically welded up for me, so I could crack on with doing the other bits and pieces what no one else could do. Oh, throttle pedal, that's all mounted up now. We've bolted that up. Yeah,
the hydraulic clutch from Rectification has been set up and just got to do little finishing touch. And
yeah, just got to bleed it. Well, that bleed easy enough. We're cracking on, and this is the longest day we've had on it. And it's been a long day. It's been up since 6 o'clock, and now what's the time? 10?
Something like that. It's day 3 though, basically, of the swap, and this is where we're at. So the plans for tomorrow is ECU. You've got an ECU because this is
Chris is going to sort the ECU out. So it's got the proper ECU on it, not the one that's borrowed out from my T4. Going to get the N75 valve all wired up and connected and mounted up. I'm going to clock the turbo and start finishing off the intercooler and sit the radiator in and do the radiator pipes and start getting some coolant in it.
So yeah, guys, stay tuned. The next episode, we're going to be doing all of those wonderful things. As you can tell, I am absolutely I'm sure you're as well.
Yeah, but we're not putting that in it because you're not allowed.
I believe it. Still got to do the sign off.
Oh. See you later, people.
Thank you guys so much for all of your kind comments, and even if you just press the like button on these videos, we really appreciate that. We've had a lot of really lovely feedback from you guys, not just on the YouTube, but on Instagram and Facebook. Lots of DMs coming in. You guys seem to really enjoy this series, so thank you. It's quite nice and humbling.
Yeah, it's good.
Any good comments I pass on to Matt, and
he reads them out to me, and I'm like, oh, that's nice.
Yeah, whilst you're
while I'm working
knee deep in this.
Yeah. It's like having a wife, someone.
You're such a... Anyway, on that bombshell, good night! Now, we're not going to do the Jeremy Clarkson thing, but thanks for watching the video. Like it, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and we'll see you
soon
in the next video. We'll see you
in the next video.
There we go. See you later. Alright. I'm hungry as f***.
Do you want to turn your camera off?
Oh, yeah.